Hi, I'm Victoria Taylor and I'm CEO at Probe Industries, and I'm going to do a demonstration to show you how the Airopure product works. So we have a sealed glove box container here, and I'm going to break this ampule of ammonium sulphide. And what that's going to do is it's going to release two problematic gases, which are hydrogen sulphide and ammonia. So I'm going to give that a good shake. Get the levels nice and high. We'll just leave that for a second and then we'll test using the monitor. Okay, so I'm going to test the atmosphere inside now and see what levels we're at. So you can see already we've got these flashing lights, which means that the levels of the hydrogen sulphide are extremely high. So it's actually quite dangerous to be inside that box at the moment. So we're showing levels of 32, 33 ppm there of the hydrogen sulphide and 3, 4 ppm of the ammonia. I'm just going to leave that to settle for a minute so we can get the final reading. So you can smell hydrogen sulphide at very, very low levels, less than 0.1 ppm. So you can imagine what that smells like inside there at the moment when we're at 33, 34 ppm. Hydrogen sulphide gives that lovely rotten egg smell. And the ammonia's now settled at 4 ppm. Hydrogen sulphide settled at 34 ppm. So now we're going to turn on the Pro Fog nozzle, which is going to fog out the glove box with the Airopure product. So what's happening here is the Airopure will be attracting the odour compounds into the droplet. So it uses that with positive and negative charges. And then once it has the odour inside that droplet, it creates a micelle cage structure. So it traps the odour inside. And then the Airopure has active agents within it that destroys the odour compound on a molecular level. So it will actually be breaking the bonds within those compounds. So it's acting at the moment to kill all that hydrogen sulphide and ammonia particles inside the box. The ProFog nozzle is delivering a really nice small droplet size as well, which really helps us, gives us more surface area to attack the odours as well. Also means that it hangs around in the air a little bit longer, so it has more of a chance to get hold of the odour compounds in the air. And we're just going to leave that for a few moments and let that mist settle. So you can see the droplets are still hanging around in the air and letting the Airopure do its job. We'll leave that to settle a little bit and then we'll take another reading. So as you can see, those droplets have now dropped out. So we can test again and see what the levels are now. And you can see there, the levels are at 0 for both hydrogen sulphide and ammonia.